Hello everyone, welcome to the July My Monthly Hero release, You're the Zest. Let's start off by looking at everything that's included in the July My Monthly Hero kit. Starting off with this super cute die set. This is the Let's Ride die set. As you can see, it creates this adorable girl riding a Vespa scooter. She even has her sidekick here. There's lemons. It's just such a cute, cute set. Lots of ways you can kind of customize and change it up. Here you can see a really cute example. Build a whole scene around that adorable die set. You can even just focus on some of the smaller die cuts like that basket and lemons. It's really a cute, cute set. Next up, we have our very first time ever embossing folder. This is the Arched Tiles embossing folder. This creates a beautiful raised pattern over your cardstock, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Here's the folder. You open it up and you have a raised side and a debossed side. You'll simply place your paper in between, fold it over and run it through. But before you do that, my tip is to spray it with a little bit of water. This softens the paper fibers and makes sure that you don't get any of that cracking of the paper. Fold it over. Follow the instructions for your sandwich with your machine for embossing. And I'll simply run that through. And then we open it up. You'll see we have this incredible raised texture pattern all over our cardstock, perfect for backgrounds and just a little bit of subtle interest on your cards. In addition to backgrounds, you can use it for little accents. I love Kelly's creative use of that embossed texture to make it look like grass. Next up, we're on to another die set included in this month's kit. This is the Citrus Shaker die set. It creates these gorgeous large lemons that can be a focal point. They can also be turned into shakers themselves. And the dies set comes with these little dies that actually allow you to create the shaker components all in one set. I love that. I think that's so cool. And look at how cute this comes together. Those shaker components are so darling inside that lemon, and again, you can have the lemon solid if you prefer, but this is such a cute focal point for your card. And again, you can see in that background that gorgeous embossed texture, just that perfect little amount of interest. And here you can see on this one, the two lemons, so, so cute. Next up, we have When Life Gives You Lemons, Stamp and Cut. This is such a cute little stamp set. You have bunch of images to create a fun little scene, a window, a lemon tree, chairs, a table, shutters, and as well a couple sentiments and even a cute little kitty. But this is such a fun set to create these gorgeous scenes. The coordinating dies are on the back, and I do want to point out that the window die is really cool with this set because you have a die to cut out just the window, but then you also have this die here that cuts out all the openings in the panes there, so you can have a lot of fun with that as well. Here's a stunning card that Kelly created. She used vellum behind those opened windows, and she just created this super sweet little scene. I love her kitty there sitting there on the chair. Here's another scene where the window is open again, die cut with that open die, and just a little blending back there so it looks like someone's inside the kitchen. So cute. And look at how fun this is. Kelly created these kitties with the Vespa Girl die set and placed them in the window, and I just think that's so fun and playful. Of course, there are cardstocks included in this month's kit, a gorgeous array of colors that really work so well for this month's theme. You can see all the colors here laid out on this really wonderful postcard that comes with your kit. But here are all the half sheets here. So each you get 10 sheets in total, and they are 8.5 by 5.5. And you can see this is a great array, perfect for all the lemons and the Vespa Girl and Kitty, just such a fun array of colors. Now moving on to the July My Monthly Superhero Kit, starting off with this absolutely gorgeous frame die. This is the citrus frame die set. It creates a beautiful frame with leaves, citrus flowers or buds, as well as these lemons that you can have kind of appear that they're cut open or completely solid. It's such a beautiful frame. You can see here on the back, all the dies are in here. And you can even have the frame all by itself or layer to add that dimension and color with those smaller dies inside. And here you can see it's such a beautiful frame and just is absolutely stunning with a little bit of ink blending and colored cardstock. Next up, we have a sentiment set. This is the Squeeze the Day Stamp and Cut. You have these great big bold sentiments, perfect wording and theme for the rest of the kit. Squeeze the day, don't get me tarted. That one's hilarious. Sending a big squeeze. And I love these bold ones here. They work so well with that frame that you saw earlier. And these smaller ones actually work great with the lemon die set from the My Monthly Hero. They fit right inside, and it's just so cool that they were designed to work with those lemons. They can work even with the shaker as well, as you see here. This is a wonderful sentiment set. I love how bold they are. They can pretty much be the whole focal point of the card. And they even work great with that Vespa girl. So cute. Next up, we have a stamp set. This is a background stamp or a large pattern stamp. This works with the embossing plate that's in the My Monthly Hero kit. This is the Arched Tiles stamp set. Creates a beautiful pattern. I love that simple design. It really adds a little bit of interest to your backgrounds, but it can be used for lots of other things. You could use this pattern to add a pattern to the Vespa girl's dress. There's lots of fun ways to use this. You can see Kelly here used it in the background. It's super pretty. And then I used it here on this card just to add a little interest, almost like a folding over of a tablecloth for a napkin or something. Such a great pattern. I now want to show you guys how to use this this stamp set, which you see I've stamped out here, with the embossing plate. So here is the stamp set and that embossing plate. I've already gone ahead and stamped it onto some white cardstock in Butterbar ink. Now I'm going to simply quickly give it a nice spray. Again, I do like to spritz it with water, a little spray, and I'm going to line up the stamped pattern with the pattern on the embossing plate. And I'm just looking through the plate till I see the images kind of line up. We're almost there. I think that's pretty good. Now that it's lined up, I'll run it through. And what this is going to do is actually emboss that stamped image so the image itself is raised as well, which I think is a really cool option because it just adds so much more shadow and depth to that design. So cool. Did you know if you get 12 consecutive months of My Monthly Superhero, you can get a free special Hero Arts gift? It's easy. All you have to do is print out this map that's linked on the subscribe page of our website and simply stick on the sticker that comes in your kit. You can start anytime, but you need to get 12 months in a row. Tag us on social throughout your journey to share your progress, and email us with a picture of your completed passport to receive your gift. Visit heroarts.com to join My Monthly Hero today.